everyone. Good evening. This is Shalvi Patel and today I am here to talk about a topic in which we all are masters, in which we all have done a PhD. The thing which is very easy to do and the most favorite of all of us. And that thing says, आज करो, so कल करो, so परसों करो. We all love doing that thing, right? Procrastination. Procrastination is a thing we all really love to do. Even I. Let me share one story. Once, my science teacher told me that, Shalvi, you have to prepare this project and you have just 3 weeks. I said, okay, I will do that. And in my mind, I was thinking like, oh, 21 days, easily I can do that. And I was like, relax for a whole week. For 1 week, I relaxed. In the second week, I was thinking like, next week, I will do tomorrow. And then, when comes the third week, I totally forget that, oh, I have to do this. I forget for 2 days and then on the third day of the third week, my one friend messaged me that, Shalvi, have you completed the project? Tomorrow is the submission. Do you know? And I was like, no, it was 3 weeks. So she said, it is 3 weeks, but it's only 2 days left now. And I was like, oh man, what I will do now? I haven't started even. And then I was tensed. But then comes my cousins. And at that time, I was like, let's play for some time. I have still 2 days. And then I went outside and I also wasted that time. And I forgot it for that whole 2 days. And that kal karenge turned out to be the deadline. On the day before the submission, I woke up and thought, now what? I was literally too stressed. The night before that submission, I started doing the project. I researched everything, I did decoration, this, that, everything. I completed it at 1:30. And in the morning, I entered the class like a freedom fighter coming after winning a war. And after looking at my project, obviously teacher was like, it is too good. I think you have done a hard work, right? And I was like, yeah, I have done. But in my brain I was thinking, it's 90% of stress. And I was literally too much stressed at that time. But it turned out to be good. But jokes apart, guys, procrastination is really bad. You are thinking that at the end everything is fine, so why it's bad? But there are many disadvantages. First of all, it increases your stress. Secondly, you always do better, but after doing procrastination, your work has a lower quality. Thirdly, it harms your mental and physical health because of stress and also the blood pressure. So these are the few things that harms, and not to mention our schedule, our timetable, our habits also ruins. But what to do? Because we all face this, right? So procrastination is the thing that can be defeated because it's a habit. Habit can be changed. So what I personally do is that whenever I have some work, so I do a reward method. A reward method means if I have to do this, I will give myself that thing. So it makes a confidence in myself that I will get this one if I do this. So that's why it's a spirit in myself to do that thing. And a second thing which I think it's better for procrastination is to break your work into small pieces. Then also you can do it fast. So these are the few things I believe can help you to overcome your procrastination. So at the end, I want to just tell you that कल करो so आज करो so अब. Thank you so much.